Hello everyone, this is Kingman Aviation back for another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Gemini Jets 1 to 400 scale Aloha Airlines Boeing 737-700. So I got this model at the previous airplanes convention. This weekend I'm going to go there and I will do a video on that as well. It's just I want to show you my favorite airline, and that is the Aloha Airlines. So Aloha Airlines was a Hawaiian airline that was based in Honolulu between the 60s and into the 2000s. It had acquired the Boeing 737 airplanes as well as other models. However, the airline ceased operations in 2008. What made this airline famous is that during the 1980s, there was an incident that happened when the front part of the plane had a severe explosion, or like a cabin decompression, which ripped the entire front section of the plane, and everyone survived. And yeah, so let's look at the box. So here it is. The box has the airplane model. The sides shows the 737 there. The back shows the side. On the bottom back, it shows the photo again, and it shows all about your collectible. Shows it right here, and there is one here. What I liked about Gemini Jets is that it actually tells you the model as well as the airplane. Here, let me get the camera back up again, which I'll show you. And it shows right here, and it shows right there, as well as the all about your collection. It rolled out date was on March 9th, 2001. First flight date was on March 16th, 2001, and delivery date was on March 29th, 2001. And here's the plane down there. So yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up and show you the model inside. Okay, so here it is. Here is the model itself. So here it is. Here's the model right here, and it is the Boeing 737-700. Get that on, and it looks pretty good. Here we have the tail here. We have the tail as well. It has a colorful rainbow type. It has the black or this dark blue tail fin, and you can see it on the engines right here. As well as it has the Aloha billboard titles on there, and the American flag there. uh, the front as well as the, let me get that there. Let me get that. Probably won't see it. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, you can see it right there. Here we have the two double-door engines, the emergency engines, right? The emergency exits. Gosh, why am I? One thing that is mentioned is that the wing on here is a bit bent, but that's alright. I like the model. On the bottom, it has the details of the landing gear systems, and it has also the blue texture on here, which I indeed liked. Here's the port for a stand right there. And yeah, so that's it for this model review. Glad that you liked it. Thank you everyone for watching. Please comment, like us, subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell, so let's hit that like button. And probably in the next video, I will do the unveiling of this upcoming airlines convention. So stay tuned for that. Peace out.